Section 29. This section of law relates to the types of sentences that can be passed by different levels of magistrates in the Indian legal system. Subsection 1 states that a chief judicial magistrate, which is a higher level of magistrate in the Indian legal system, may pass any sentence that is authorized by law, except a sentence of death or of imprisonment for life or of imprisonment for a term exceeding 7 years. This means that a chief judicial magistrate has the authority to impose a wide range of punishments, but not the most severe punishments such as death or life imprisonment. Subsection 2 states that a magistrate of the first class, which is a lower level of magistrate in the Indian legal system, may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years, or a fine not exceeding 10,000 rupees or of both. This means that a magistrate of the first class has the authority to impose a punishment of up to 3 years imprisonment, a fine of up to 10,000 rupees, or both. Subsection 3 states that a magistrate of the second class, which is the lowest level of magistrate in the Indian legal system, may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year, or a fine not exceeding 5,000 rupees or of both. This means that the magistrate of the second class has the authority to impose a punishment of up to 1 year imprisonment, a fine of up to 5,000 rupees, or both. Subsection 4 states that a chief metropolitan magistrate has the powers of both a chief judicial magistrate and a magistrate of the first class. This means that a chief metropolitan magistrate has the same powers as a chief judicial magistrate and also has the power of magistrate of the first class. This law is in place to ensure that the severity of the punishment is commensurate with the gravity of the crime, and that the most severe punishments are reserved for higher level magistrates who are better equipped to handle such cases.